everybody, how are you? What have you been up to? I have just been MIA because we moved, had to unpack, and I'm in a new beauty room slash craft room, whatever we want to call it. But I have missed you guys, and I have today, y'all know how I love to do the DIY. Because your girl is cheap. I found, sorry, my eyes have been really itchy today. This a Kiss gel. It's a Kiss brush on gel kit, and it says many ways to wear French DIY color and DIY design. So we have several. Looks like we have some clear tips here and some French tips here. I got this so that we could test it out today and see what we think of it and if we like it and how long they're gonna last. So we're just gonna jump right in. I hope you're doing awesome and fantabulous and just have a awesome time with me. Okay, so it is a brush on gel nail kit. Hoping this means they're strong. You can lift some weights with them, but it's great for beginners, mistake-proof application, and quickest soak-off time. Down here we have easy apply. Tips allow for easier application with the bend off tab removal and a perfect length. Mistake-proof self-leveling formula sets to a smooth and shiny gel finish. Detailed instructions inside. Note the activator brush is stored in a brush cleaner. Interesting. That's nice to know, knowing that when I did the dip nail, it did not store in a brush cleaner. So in our pack, we have cute little protectors, always nice. You've got your brush on gel. Your tips, which come in clear and French. They're half, well, it's like really clear and thin right here, which we'll look into. Then you have your activator. And your brush cleaner. This here is something that I am happy to see in this kit. Just for the simple fact of cleaning my brush. So that I don't ruin the brush and no longer am able to use the stuff. Get a file. Double-sided. Your destructions, as I always say, and then a little wooden cuticle pusher. First, we're going to prep our nails. Just going to lightly buff them, just to get any of the shine off, so that we have a better chance for our gel and everything to actually work. I'm just going to dust them off with a big kabuki brush that I have never actually used for makeup, so it'll be my nail brush. Now to select the correct tip size. Okay, so I see now the activator brush. Now, just so y'all can understand like I do, is actually that brush there that you use, and that's where you will store it so that your brush does not get hard and ruin. All right, so it says to take the tip with the brush on gel, put some into the well where it will adhere to the nail. Move over. Whoa, that's fast. Okay. It adheres very quickly, just so you know. Firm pressure. Like so. I'll show you one more time. Then we're going to power through this. You take your blush on gel. You're going to apply it to the well. Like so. I just done a thin layer. I wouldn't overdo it so that you don't have a lot of seepage when you place the nail on the tip onto your natural nail. I go down and cover my actual tip of my nail and put some firm pressure so that it will actually adhere, and like so, it's there. So we're going to take this here, and from what I'm understanding, we're going to take the wet brush and we're going to hold it, guessing holding it here along this line, to help the edge of this tip. I'm assuming something in this cleaner will soften it to help it blend better with your nail. It's the only thing I'm understanding that could possibly be what's going on. It's drying fairly fast, I'm assuming, because it's just a liquid and no, specific kind of I don't know. Looks like it could have some alcohol in it. Finding that holding it just does not get it everywhere that you would want it to go, so I am putting it on the edge and then lightly dragging it over. Now we'll actually use the buffing file that came in the kit and lightly go over that edge. All right, we're nice and clean. Let's kind of move our mess out of the way here. Next, use fresh paper towel free of dust and particles. Set up 3 bottles in order as needed. Images A. So this is your gel would be A. Your activator is B. Your cleaner is C. we'll go thin layer of gel, thin layer of activator, put it back in here. All right, so it says to do my dominant hand first. So we'll see how this goes with my dominant hand. So we will apply a layer of gel, and it said this is self-leveling. Into the activator. Layer of activator on. Place back into the cleaner. Once again, gel. Making sure not to go over your cuticle or your sidewall. Then we'll go into our activator. Like so. Back into the cleaner. And we repeat the steps. First coat is done. Definitely looks to be settling well. This is our handle we've had done for a minute, but I do still see the line on the tip itself. So we will definitely be doing our second coat. We'll just buzz through that real quick. So it says after you do your 2 coats on all 10 nails, you're going to take your brush on gel and just use it like a top coat. And so that is what we will do. And there we go, guys. I will definitely be going back in and filing. They don't look too bad, I don't think. So this is our end product on our nails. I'll see if I can get a good close-up for y'all. They are, you can hear that click, 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 click. They are very hard. This one is kind of lumpy. There's a little sludge buildup on my brush. It's not going to show up. There's a little sludge buildup on my brush when I was actually doing the last coat. But for the most part, they feel very firm, not too flimsy, or possibly could break real easy. But we will definitely be wearing them and putting them to the test to see how well they stand up to mom life and how well this $10 kit would just convenience wise and easy to do. I would definitely give it a thumbs up for those. $10 was the price, and very brush on coating kind of steps. And with very good, I mean, practice, the more you do something, the better you will get at it, and get a good even coat on your nails. For the most part, I did. There are a few lumpy, bumpy places, but nothing that I am just, disgusted with. But there we go on the at-home brush-on gel nail kit by Kiss. Make sure to check back and look in the comments for the pinned comment on how well this stood the mommy test. Thank you. I love you. I have missed you. I hope you enjoy. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like what you see, and subscribe to my channel. More videos to come. I have several DIYs that I am ready to do with y'all, and maybe a challenge or two with some unboxings with my sons. But I love you. I hope you have a super duper awesome day. You're amazing. You're awesome. Don't forget, you can do anything. We love you.